Hey everyone, welcome to Ben Ryobi review again. So I'm going to talk about the Ryobi 18 volt trimmer here. So if you don't have a Ryobi 18 volt trimmer, you should really get one. It's so this one is a older model there. I'm going to tell you what lasts, what fails on it, and what I think of it. So because it's an older model, this one is a brush model, which is model P2006A, a 12-inch trimmer. So my yard is a 50 by 110, and I get lots of little gardens and trees in the way and trampoline and all this. And for example, half of the yard is the backyard here, and this thing here on a 4 amp hour battery, just a regular old style one, it just takes like one. I just finished the backyard here, and I still have 3 out of 4 lights left on this thing. So usually I can do my whole yard with one 4 amp battery like this, no problem. So here's a few of the neat feature about it. So first of all, the trigger at the back here, there's a lock, so that you have to press that or you won't be able to control it. So you have to have your hand full on there. You cannot just swing it around like this. This handle here is very practical to hold the tool. This used to be adjustable, but that's stripped into here, so I cannot actually adjust the handle anymore, but you know, it was pre-adjusted, but I need it anyway, so it's perfect. Another neat thing about it is the head move. So you press this button here, and you can move the head in the direction that you want, and then it'll lock up. Now if you want to protect your string from the fence here, you can always put this guard. I never personally use it because I like to go nice and short. Another thing too, you can unlock this part here, and now you can extend it or retract it here. So if you're a smaller person, you might want to retract it or extend it if you're taller. And at front, there's also the trimmer for the sidewalk. So you're gonna pull this here, and then you move it to do the edge of your sidewalk or something like that. Now, of course, you'll use it lower, but for the camera's sake, there, that's what would happen, and then your string just, cuts straight. So we're gonna put this back. Everything is nice and quick to do. I'll take the battery off, show you this. But to change the string, you just have one button here that you press, and it tells you the direction of the string for the spool. So, well, actually 2 buttons, one on each side. You press those, and then the plastic caps come off, and then you have your spool underneath here. Now you can use the spool that Ryobi sell, or you can get your own spool if you want to, add your own wire and then re-spool it. Usually I just buy a pack, like pack of 5, pack of 6, and then it's just easy, right? Like you run out of strings during the time that you're going around very quick, and then yeah, you just go ahead and pop a new one in, and there you go. So I do their whole yard in not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes. And that's the other thing too about having the nice battery one. You're not stuck trying to plug in the extension or moving it around anywhere, and it's not as noisy as a gas one. So here's the other advantage here. So it cuts very good. This thing is probably, I would say, almost have it for 8 or 10 years old now, and even though it's brush, it never failed yet. I never had an issue with this, so no points of replacing it right now. I assume that the new ones all have the same similar option, except if you go to like really cheap model and stuff. But yeah, let's show you how it cuts. There we go, just a quick example of how it goes. The other thing too is you let the trigger go, and then when it's almost slowed down, then you press it again and it gets this string out automatically for you. My string was a bit too long, that's why it was noisy like this. So, now that's the way it sounds like usually. If we want to do the edging, we are turning around now, so we can do some of the edging here. Anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, follow me, subscribe. This summer I'm going to do some 40 volt lawnmower and chainsaw reviews too. Maybe some more edge trimmer. We'll see what we can have access to. But yeah, I'll do some outdoor equipment for you. All right, see you in the next video.